Hi guys, my name is Amar and I come here from the holy land of Guru Dronacharya metro station. So anybody people from Gurgaon give me here? Yeah? So Gurgaon is a great place. You know, Gurgaon is a wonderful place. There's so many things in Gurgaon that we have to be proud of. Yeah? For example, there's Sahara Mall. Yeah. There's Sahara Mall. You know, Sahara Mall is a place to be proud of. For example, the thing is, Sahara Mall is the place for aspiring rapists. So the thing is, if you want to be a rapist in future, that's the place to hang out because they're professional rapists over there. That's the one I hang on. So that's where the new rapists hang out with professional rapists. So basically, Sahara Mall is the open mic for rapists. There's Sahara Mall. Then you know we have soft-spoken Haryanvis to be proud of. You know, I get really offended. I've grown up in Gurgaon. People say that Haryanvis को तमीज नहीं है. Haryanvi बदतमीज होते हैं. I get really offended. Haryanvis को तमीज पता ही नहीं क्या होती है. That's the thing. Haryanvis को पता ही नहीं क्या होती है. The thing is, MG Road is there across the country, and across the country stands for Mahatma Gandhi Road. Yeah, but in Gurgaon it stands for Missing Girlfriends Road. People take their girlfriends there, they go missing. Okay, so I guess this is fuck it. Let me do something interesting. Okay, so guys, my name is Amar, and the thing is, I go by my name Amar because the thing is, the moment I start telling people my full name, people start forming stereotypes. So actually, I'm a Bihari. I'm actually Bihari. So my full name is Amar Mishra. But the thing is, the moment I tell people I'm Bihari, people like Bihari hai, litti khilaiye. So litti is a dish that they prepare in Bihar with mitti because they're so poor. So मुझे लिट्टी बनानी नहीं आती. अच्छा लिट्टी बनानी नहीं आती तो IAS में कौन से सर्विसेज में है? मैंने IAS में किसी सर्विसेज में नहीं है. अच्छा तो IAS में किसी सर्विसेज में रिक्शा चलाते हैं. I'm like रिक्शा भी नहीं चलाता कैसे बिहारी? But I'm lying, you know. I'm actually not a Bihari. I'm actually a Gujarati. You know my full name is Amar Patel. Yeah, my full name is. But the thing is, the moment I tell people I'm Patel, people start forming stereotypes. They're like, you know, because the thing is, Gujaratis are unpredictable people. कभी चाय बेचते हैं, कभी प्रधानमंत्री बन जाते हैं. They're unpredictable people. They're unpredictable people. So I told this friend of mine that I'm a Gujarati. This guy comes to me, he's like, एक शेर सुनाता हूँ. एक शेर सुनाता हूँ. मैंने सुना, घर से मस्जिद है बहुत दूर चलो यूं कर लें. घर से मस्जिद है बहुत दूर चलो ये शेर है क्या बकवास कर रहा है शेर है तो गाना है कहते सुन तो सही अमर भाई सुन एक घर से मस्जिद है बहुत दूर चलो यूं कर लें किसी हंसते हुए मुस्लिम को रुलाया जाए. Then another guy comes in. He's like Amar भाई मुझे रुलाया नहीं kerosene टायर तो मैं क्या करूँगा? So that's the thing with Gujarati. The thing is I'm lying. I'm not a Gujarati. I'm actually a Muslim. So my full name is Amar Khan. So, but the thing is, I don't tell people I'm a Khan because the moment I tell people I'm Khan, I start forming stereotypes. Amar bhai, bam banana hai, recipe बताइए. So I don't tell people I'm a Muslim because they ask me, they're like, मुझे bam बनाना तो नहीं आता. अच्छा बाल काट दीजिए मेरे. मैंने कहा मुझे बाल काटने नहीं आते. अच्छा कैसे मुसलमान हैं आप? So I don't tell people I'm a Muslim. I'm actually lying. I'm not a Muslim. I'm a South Indian. My full name is Amar Subramanian. But the thing is, the moment I tell people I'm a Subramanian, they're like. Illa poda. Like, what the fuck does it mean? Like, I don't understand. You don't understand? I think कैसे South Indian? So fuck it. Okay. So let's talk about something interesting now. So basically, I'm a very intellectual person. Guys, what I've seen. I'm a very intellectual person. You know, I'm so intellectual. The moment I try to talk to my mom, she's like, "Bakwas band kar." So I tell my girlfriend that I love you. And she's like, "What do you mean by that?" I tell her I'm sorry. She's like, I love you too, baby. So I'm very intellectual. Sometimes I say stuff and people laugh and I have to go and ask them, what did I mean by that? So very intellectual. You know, and so you know, I have a takiya kalam. It's between your legs. What's your name, sir? Raghav. So my takiya kalam is, you understand what a takiya kalam is? Like Mogambo khush hua. Did anybody give a fuck Mogambo was happy or depressed? But he went about telling people Mogambo khush hua. So my takiya kalam is between your legs. Is that okay with you between your legs? It takes a while. So,
Yeah.
you know, I have a girl, I have a friend. You know, her Tatya Kalam is Pagal hai kya? You know, her Tatya Kalam is Pagal hai kya? I actually started liking her. Okay, what's her name? So she knows me and I started liking her. And her name is Pooja. You know, very smart girl. Her full name is Pooja Brar. For some reason, she says the last R is silent. So the thing is, I started liking Pooja. And I told her, see, Pooja, the thing is, you know, I think we can be more than just friends. She said, Pagal hai kya? I said, no, no. He said, you know, the thing is, you know, friends indeed are friends indeed. She said, Pagal hai kya? I said, no, no. Then, like, you know, the thing is, I tried to persuade her a little more. She said, Pooja, maybe, you know, we can be, you know, fuck buddies. She said, Pagal hai kya? Chal theek hai. So the thing is, her Tatya Kalam is between her Tatya Kalam is Pagal hai kya. So people have different Tatya Kalams. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about women. What's your name? Nandini. So Nandini, the thing is, women are very complicated cases. Do you agree? At times, you know. So recently we had Women's Day. Yeah, guys, give it up. Give a cheer for women. Come on, guys.
Whoa.
So the reason we need a Women's Day is because men suck. The reason we need a Women's Day is that men suck when they should be licking. And they lick when they should be sucking. That's the reason, you know, so basically that's the problem. That's the reason we need a Women's Day. So basically, you know, and as you said, Nandini, the women are complicated creatures. You know, this colleague of mine in office was wearing pink. She's wearing pink. It is pretty evident to me that she was wearing pink. I told her, so her name was Neha. I told her, Neha, you're wearing a very nice pink. And she says, that's not pink. I'm like, dude, that's clearly pink. Nobody's told me before that I'm colorblind. But the thing is, I'd heard before that women believe in different shades of color. So I told her, is it hot pink? She's like, no, that's not hot pink. I said, is it baby pink? She said, that's not baby pink. I said, it's lipstick pink. She said, that's not lipstick pink, it's lip gloss pink. By this time, I was getting furious. She said, that's not lip gloss pink. I said, that's pussy pink. She said, that's not pink, that's red. The next day she was wearing red. I didn't have any guts to tell her that that's a nice red. So, you know, I've had a few girlfriends. You know, the thing is, there are a few things that I've learned about women. How do you talk to them? Maybe I'm wrong, Nandini, but the thing is, there are a few things I've learned. Right? So, for example, again, sorry, okay, sir, what's your name? Sir? Sir?
Really bottom of the
What's your name? Huh? Param. If you didn't indicate, I had no idea, man. If you said Param, man, I had no idea. So the thing is, Param, for example, you have a girlfriend? No. So, okay, I'll tell you what. So the thing is, maybe I can help you, okay? So the thing, so Param, no, listen, the thing is, okay. You just generally talk like...
I'm listening.
You talk like this? No, I'm sure also listening. So the thing is, for example, this is how you talk to women, okay? So basically, you say block, I love you.
Okay.
So say block, I love you, and say it at a time when she's not expecting. Because if a woman is expecting, the love you doesn't count. So the thing is, for example, she's eating, you guys are having food. Just look at her, look at her like that. So let's say your girlfriend's name is Pooja, randomly, okay? So look
That would not be.
Huh?
Pooja, that would not be.
Maybe you'll never have a girlfriend. So just look at Pooja and say, Pooja, I love you. I love the way you eat, I love you.
Okay.
Just say block, I love you a few times a day. Okay? And sometimes you just say, look at, sometimes Pooja is not speaking for a while, just look at her and say, Pooja, I'm sorry. Reason to say I'm sorry. Pooja will associate your sorry to something. Because women find a reason to associate the sorry to. Because you know the thing is, women have a memory of 1 terabyte here. And it's expandable. Men have a memory of 500 MB or something, and it's just there. Women, it's less than that. I agree. So the thing is, the moment you say I'm sorry, she'll find something to associate a sorry to. Yeah? This is how you probably have a girlfriend here. Yeah? Okay. So the thing is, you know, in India, the standard answer for anything. Hi guys, you with me? Hi. These guys are chilling. Fuck it. You guys. So the thing is, in India, the standard answer for anything is no. You know, people just say no. They are like, they don't even listen to you, they just say no. For example, I was trying to park my car outside. I asked this cop, I said, "Gaadi laga lo." No. He said no. That's right. He said no. I said उसने लगाई है. कि तो उसने मुझसे पूछा नहीं. You know, and then the other day I was with a girl in I was with a girl in bed, and we done with the caressing and canoodling and everything and fondling whatever. And I asked her, baby, can I enter you? And she's like, no. She's like, I thought you'd let me. She said, I thought you won't ask. That wasn't it. So I told her, you know, baby, your hips lie tonight. Okay, so basically this is about, I don't know, some of you guys here listen to Shakira. Fans of Bollywood, give me a cheer? Yeah. Fans of Bollywood, give me a cheer? So, you guys think Salman Khan is a good guy or a bad guy?
He's a good guy.
He's a good guy. So people who kind of beat people on roads, they like run over people, they think he's a good guy. You know, anybody think he's a bad guy?
Yes, bad guy.
You think he's a bad guy? The thing is, the opinion of Salman Khan is divided in the country. You know, I'll tell you, so Salman Khan is just being human. Okay, so for example, let's talk about Abhishek Bachchan a bit. People, the fans of Abhishek Bachchan, give me a cheer. Varun, are you a fan of Abhishek Bachchan?
No, not at all.
So Abhishek Bachchan is a very inspiring creature, yeah? He's a very inspiring person. For example, he recently said basketball is my first love. Initially, I thought Aishwarya Rai was his first love. Then I thought Kabaddi was his first love. Now the guy comes over and says Aishwarya Rai is my first love. Okay, interesting. Okay, so the thing is, okay, just give me a sec. Okay. I need to look at myself. Okay. Okay. So basically, you know, so the thing is, Indians don't know. Indians as Indians, we don't know how to hug. Do you guys agree? We don't know how to hug. Okay. But for example, I've never seen my parents hug in my entire life. You know, for example, girls hug me like this or like that. The entire point is the crotch and the boots should not touch. Alright guys, that's what I said.
Whoa!
Give it up for Amar Singh.
Whoa! Amar.
I recently went to Pattaya for a show, and Pattaya as a place